My name is Patrick Zaman, and I am the founder of Avy. And with Avy we make a new type of aircraft, which is actually a combination of a drone and an airplane. So it can take off and land vertically like any drone. It can hover still in mid-air, but at a certain altitude the wings come out and it can fly really far like an airplane. I'm here today because we have a really nice product, we have a super nice team, and we're really focused on helping on more environmental and humanitarian applications. So we work in Africa, for example, to protect the wildlife there, the rhinos and the elephants. We work for medicine delivery with long-range drone aircraft, things like that. What you notice is that on this event there's a really nice vibe. People are very supportive, everyone wants to help each other. Super inspiring ideas, and there's really a mentality of making impact. So it's not only about becoming a cool startup or making money or something, it's really like how can we together make impact for the world, and that's something that is really deep in my heart as well. It's always good to practice your pitch, it's good to tell your story, share your idea, because together you can actually make things happen.